Hello YouTube, today on this video I will show you how to bypass quests in Everwing. Take note that this is for educational purpose only. So let's go over to our Everwing game and let's start. So I'm already here in our game, so in Everwing. So let's move on quest. As you can see, I have 4 quests here. So Whispering, Mystic Island, Silverwind, and Cloud Peak. So let's go ahead and let's do the quest. So let's go. So in order to bypass this quest, as you can see, there's a waiting time like 11 hours and 59 minutes, 23 hours, 1 hour and 59 minutes, and 3 hours and 59 minutes. So basically, this is very basic. All you have to do is change the date of your computer, or if you're using cell phone, change the date of your cell phone. So let's go ahead and change the date. Okay. So today is July 9, so I changed it to July 10. I had 1 day. And voila, as you can see, it's now ready to play. Alright. And that's it. Using this trick, you could easily bypass and finish the task or the quest. So let's try again. Then change the date again. Change and done. So claim it. And there you go. So if you like this video and love this video, feel free to share this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. So thank you, and more videos to come. Bye bye.